brisket. Everyone loves a good brisket, but what's the right method? There's so many different ways to do it. Everyone has the perfect way. Well, there's no such thing as a perfect way. It all depends on your preference. So let me share with you some tips that I personally like, and the results are amazing. Deli mustard, virgin olive oil. Now let's season it. Just follow me. Fat side down, of course. All right, we're gonna give it about 6-7 hours or so. We're gonna wait till it reaches internal 165. Spritz it, wrap it, keep it overnight. See you mañana. Ladies and gentlemen, 18 hours later. So moist, so soft. Should we go for the squeeze? We're gonna go for the squeeze. Oh my goodness, this is falling apart. This is so good. Let's see what's going on here. Wow. I'm afraid it'll be more juice than meat, which is never a problem. Het gaat wel in de lijn opvullen. That's what I'm talking about.